Hey guys, you ever got a diesel or Jetta or whatever, Passat, and you trying to removing a glow plug, and then it keeps spinning as you try to remove it. It keeps spinning, 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 but never comes off. Well, this is what you do, guys. Put a rubber hose over it, but you gotta break the very top of it. Break the very top of it. Put a hose over it, like I did here. Soak it with a WD-40 or whatever. Soak it down there, because what it is, it gets stuck here on the cylinder head. See, you could see the truss. There's nothing wrong with the truss, but it wouldn't come off. So it was stuck here. It kept spinning, maybe with a carbon. So what I did was, I started up, soak it, start it up, take it to the highway, make it nice and hot, and eventually the compression of the combustion chamber is gonna pop it off. It's gonna pop it out. Okay, you just gotta be careful. Okay, be patient and all that. Lube it, soak it nice, and you can. I mean, you already spun it, you're already spinning it, and it's not coming off. So you gotta let the vehicle compression pop it out. So like we did here, see, it popped right off. Okay, and that's it, guys. So in the event you guys get a glow plug that keeps spinning, it's not the threads are okay. Look, it's getting stuck here because of the carbon. Okay, so soak it like I mentioned, drive it, and you're eventually gonna hear a pop. This one did it right here on the lift, so I didn't have to drive it. Okay.